ये ट्रांसलेशन तो आपने वीडियो में भी ट्रांसलेशन कर दी, चलो अच्छी बात है। चलो मतलब ये निकला कि what is important in this case is being so preoccupied, busy. During this time, we should have to worry about something also. To be worryless is also a problem. So it means that if we want to enhance employees' credibility or progression, we need to develop these kind of things also. We should be worried also. We should not be worryless all the time. It helps in employees' productivity. Effective communication is far more important in increasing the productivity of an employee. If an employee is encouraged to communicate and to break the barriers of silence, in this way we will share the ideas which will go a long way in the progress and development of the institution. Increase their morale. Very good. Increase their encourage. So if we encourage, we can make the people or employees to produce more. That is productivity. So productivity is basically development of the institution. It boosts, this boosts team building. Now, how, sir, what is your idea about that? How does it boost team building? What is team and how does it build with communication?
It will be encouraged.
It strengthens the bond. It strengthens the bond between the members of the group. If there is no communication, and if you're not saying that even in business organizations in petroleum industries in different countries, they try to build the teams. Teams play an effective role, flourish. Yeah. Number 6, foster stronger relationships. It should move to, you want to steer the ship of the organization to a safer harbor. What do you have to do? We have to build up stronger relationships, that is professional relationships. Yes, chemistry bonding are used. So chemistry bonding is also there. That bonding should also be there. If there is no bonding among team members, then effective communication does not take place. Number 7. It also provides new and progression. It means that within a team, we have some people who are expert in speaking. In one team, we have some people who are not expert in speaking, but they are better in writing. Then we have other people who have other characteristics and skills. So it means every member of the team is useful. So we should assign and delegate responsibilities according to the characteristics and abilities or skills of the members of the team. We should not think somebody who cannot speak, is silent, is useless. No, he or he might be expert in some other areas.